What's up, guys? This week's Bitcoin update's a little inside baseball for you. As we know, in the market, there's only been one data point that lots of people have been talking about. It's that hash rate hit an all-time high. Bitcoin's price dropped 70% over the last year, but hash rate continues to go up. But in the recordings for our podcast, I had conversations with two different people that said the same exact thing. Even though we're in this deep bear market, there are institutions that are chomping at the bit, ready to get back into the game. The first individual was David Mercer from LMAX, and he said the 6 major banks, they're ready to go as soon as they get a green light from the regulatory environment.
I can name probably 6 of the largest banks in the world who, if and when they get the green for go sign, I think they can be active throughout all the markets in crypto within a month.
The second was Braden Anderson, who works at the largest law firm in the world. He said the same thing. The big institutions, they're ready to go. But forget even the things that I've heard. Forget the things that people said on the podcast. I personally, this week, talked to multiple organizations, some of the biggest asset managers in the world. They all have teams focused on Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. They're hiring, they're building out those teams, and they're trying to figure out what they're gonna do. Some of them want to build products, other of them want to drive revenue through services related to the industry, and others just simply want to make it easier for investors to allocate to the space. Regardless of what happens to price in the short term, one thing is for certain, the big financial institutions, they're here. They're building teams internally, and they are going all in on Bitcoin and crypto. That might not actually help the price in the short term, but that tells me over a long period of time, this industry is not going anywhere, and that means that you at home need to take a deep breath, chill out, and remember, the long-term vision gives you a huge advantage over the people who don't have patience and simply are focused on day-to-day price movements. These weekly updates are brought to you by FTX. Click on the link in the description. Make sure that you go check them out. They have fees as low as 85% cheaper than their competitors. I'll see you guys next Saturday, and I hope that you guys are enjoying these weekly updates.